Hey guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to connect your Chime to your Eufy doorbell. So let's get started. So first take your Eufy Chime and plug it into a power outlet in your home. Choose a central location so you can easily hear it when someone rings your doorbell. After plugging it in, wait a few seconds until the LED light turns on. This means it's powered and ready to set up. After that, open the Eufy Security app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from your app store and sign in to your account. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Eufy doorbell, because your Chime will connect through that Wi-Fi. Then tap the plus icon or add device option in the app. And from the list of available devices, select Chime. The app will guide you through the setup process, asking you to confirm your Wi-Fi details and prepare for pairing. And then press and hold the sync button on your Chime until the LED light starts flashing. And at the same time, press the sync button on your Eufy doorbell. The two devices will automatically pair, and once the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation message in the app. Finally test your setup by pressing the doorbell button. You should hear the chime ring inside your home. If it doesn't ring, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and repeat the sync process if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to connect your Chime to your Eufy doorbell easily so you never miss a ring, even when your phone isn't nearby. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.